Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So let's start. Today we will learn about something interesting, basic things about computer. So just look at here. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine Computer is an electronic machine. It runs on electricity. It runs on electricity. So this is the basic or easy definition about computer कि what actually computer is. कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन मतलब एक यांत्रिकी उपकरण है जो कि बिजली की सहायता से ही चलता है और जिसमें हम बहुत सारी चीजें हम अपने सरल चीजों के माध्यम से हम बहुत सारी चीजें अपनी काम कर सकते हैं. इट टेक्स इनपुट फ्रॉम यू मतलब कंप्यूटर एक ऐसा उपकरण है, एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो हमसे कुछ लेता है. सपोज इट इज एन एग्जाम्पल कि जैसे हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपने घर पे किचन में कुछ यूज करते हैं, मिक्सर यूज किया, जूस निकालते हैं, तो क्या होता है जो वो मशीन है, मिक्सर जो है वो क्या हो गया आपका एक मतलब पार्ट हो गया, ठीक है, ऐसा. और जो आपके पास फ्रूट्स है, इट इज एन इजी एग्जांपल, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. सपोज यू हैव सम फ्रूट्स, आपने जूस फ्रूट्स डाला मिक्सर के अंदर, इसने उसको ग्राइंड किया, मिक्स किया, देन आपके पास रिजल्ट ऐसे क्या आया, आउटपुट में क्या आया आपके पास, कंप्लीट अ ग्लास ऑफ जूस. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा आउटपुट है जो रिजल्ट आता है. दिस वन इज प्रोसेसिंग एंड दिस इज इनपुट. तो जब हमारे पास कोई चीज होती है, then we can transfer into the processing part, then we get the result. It is called the output. So basically computer totally based on input, processing and output. Now it uses some program to process these inputs. Finally it delivers output as per your requirements. It can also store your data. Actually students, we can do many things on computer. Storing data, whatever which is so useful and it is very necessary or needful for us, all human being for. So that's why we all are using computer very much in this time. In modern age we have androids, cell phones, mobiles, like and some digital parts also. So this type of some objects we are using nowadays. Now I will tell you the parts of computers and their function. What is parts of computer? Children, you know there are different parts of computer. Some like basics are, here is the parts of computer. First is monitor. What is monitor, students? Do you know you all have television at your home? So monitor also looks like a TV. This one is monitor. Next is keyboard. Next part is there are space bar keys, shift key, enter keys, arrow keys, 4 arrow keys. So there are many keys available on the keyboard. Now next is mouse. This is the diagram of mouse. We use mouse pad also for this device. Next is CPU. Children, in previous class you have learned so many full form of computers. So here CPU is also stand for Central Processing Unit. This one is CPU. So these are the 4 main parts of computer which can perform with the different functions, and some other parts also which is very needful for using computer, like speaker. We should use these 2 parts also, speaker, and one more is printer. This is speaker, and next is printer, where we can take printouts on paper. Suppose our teacher suggests me or given me some projects or some things, so we have to take the sheets on paper. So that's why we use printer for printouts or printing. So there are now 4 basic shapes. But these 2 parts, we also use these 2 parts for using computer. Now computer comprises different parts which are connected with each other. Each part of computer plays very important role while using a computer. Okay students, so here is a brief description about these parts. This is a monitor. So what we do in this part, this looks like a TV. Suppose we see anything, we can do sending mails, we can type text messages, or we can see anything. So we need this kind of device to see things on the television, on the screens. So that's why we need this part. It is a very important part of the computer. This is called monitor. This is a screen. Here are some icons, so that we can call this is the desktop screen. Here is a start button. Now next is keyboard. As I told you, keyboard has many keys. Longest key is called the space bar key. We need to press more space, or we need more space, so we have to press this key. There are some number keys, 1 to 10 or 1 to 0, 0 to 9, like this type of number we have in this part. There are some first 9 called function keys. Next is alphabet keys. Next shift key, enter key, arrow key, caps lock key. So many keys are available on the keyboard. Arrow keys is also here. Arrow key shows the direction, page up and down. Suppose we have to do page up and down, left and right. So we use this type of keys while using on monitor. Now this is mouse. Mouse is used for click, single click or double click. There are 2 buttons. There is 2 buttons. This called double click, and this one is single click. जब हम किसी इस पार्ट को जब हम 2 बार प्रेस करते हैं तो वो कहलाता है डबल क्लिक, और जब हम एक इधर वाले पार्ट को जब हम एक बार प्रेस करते हैं तो वो होता है सिंगल क्लिक. तो माउस हैज आल्सो 2 buttons, and one more also. Here is a wheel present here, so we can scroll the page. That's why we use this scroll button. It is called the scroll button. Now next is CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Just like our body, we have brain in upper side. So it is also essential and very important part in our body. Same like similar in this system, we have fourth very important part called CPU. CPU looks like a speaker or device type. It is a very powerful machine. If we don't have this thing, so we are unable to do these functions clearly, or we are unable to do that. Now next is speaker. Suppose we have to listen voice. We are doing something on the system, on the computer by using these parts, but we don't have voice. We don't have anything which can listen properly. So that's why we have to use this speaker parts, which is very important. And next is printer. Printer, here is a short type of diagram, so you can easily, means children, you have to know that as that printer we have to use for printing something. We require some sheets on coloring sheets or printing sheets, so that's why we use printer for printing things. I hope you all get this information clearly. So in next session we will discuss later some other things.